Hello guys, we're going to record a Thyssenkrupp. Who has my diesel, Lucy?
I do.
Okay. So we're going to ride the Thyssenkrupp, but we're going to face it down.
Here we go, hold your phone.
Sure, Daddy. Thanks. Oh, here it is. It's a blue one. Every time when you press the button, the bell is going to ring. Daddy.
Did you record up there or something?
See, we're on the third floor. We're going to get to the first. And I'm going to go to first floor. Watch the number. Right, we're going to watch the button go out. 1. There's the alarm button. There's the phone. You guys can Alright, we're going to ring the bell one more time. That's how the bell goes. Watch the elevator go. There it goes, and that's it.